Hi, this is Jersey Pearls How to Knit Barbara Walker's One Row Buttonhole. Knit to the spot where you want to put your buttonhole. Bring the yarn forward or back if you're purling. Slip the next stitch from the left needle to the right and bring the yarn back to where it started. Bind off one stitch without working, so you're going to take the next stitch on the right hand needle and pull it off over the one you slipped, and repeat that. In this video I repeat that 3 times to bind off 3 stitches. You can adjust according to the size of the buttonhole that you need. And then when you have bound off all of the stitches that you need to, slip that stitch on your right needle back to the left. Turn the work to the other side, so you're now looking at the back. And move your yarn to the back and cast on, with the cable cast on, one more stitch than you bound off. So in this case, I'm going to cast on 4. I'm going to do 3 and then move the yarn before I put the last one on the needle. I like to put my needle between the stitches before I pull it snug, and then it doesn't get too tight to work it. Okay, that was the 3rd one. And now I'm going to pull the next stitch through and then bring the yarn under the needle toward me to anchor it there between the last 2 stitches. Turn back to the right side and slip the next stitch off from the left needle to the right and bind off that extra stitch over the one you just slipped. And continue on with your pattern from there. That's it. Barbara Walker's One Row Buttonhole.